Ah, this is when I turn on the central voice. Look around. The lights are dimmed. It's hot with a sweet and salty breeze, like a mermaid's breath. The ocean sways like the undulating hips of a sultry Creole woman. Little wavelets twerking on the surface of the gentle swell. Tonight, the sea is my lover. Sweet dreams, my friends. Night sailing was uneventful. Nothing to report, Captain. The day, well, as well. We spotted land in the afternoon. Our timing was good. We should arrive in the bay to anchor in daylight. A few thoughts from our friends.
Viaje muy bueno, fantástico. Ha ido todo muy bien.
¿Ya? ¿Dónde estamos?
¿Dónde estamos?
En Cabo Verde.
Llegando a qué isla?
A Sal.
La isla de Sal.
¿De dónde viene?
¿De dónde venimos?
De
Bueno.
San Vicente.
Vicente, muy bien.
Y el puerto está en donde está Tribilín.
Mindelo.
Ah,
Mismo
ok.
lugar de-
¿No tiene miedo?
¿Ha tenido miedo?
¿No tiene marea?
No,
No.
no.
¿Y tu papi?
Yo miedo tampoco, ¿no? Me marea un poco, pero una vez solo.
¿Cómo hizo papi?
Muy bien.
It's okay.
Yeah, no, it was great. It was great.
Good trip.
Good trip, yeah.
We're almost there. Soon they're going to be going home to Las Palmas and the Canaries. So it was a good trip. Nothing like the weather said it would be. Nothing at all. Said it may rain, it'd be wind, tormentas. There was hardly any wind in our face, and we motored the whole way with the sails, and now we're just minutes away from the port of Palmera. Salud, Abril. Fue un buen viaje.
Buen viaje.
¿Ah?
Chichi.
Hola, Ricardo, senadora,
Maravilloso.
Capitán Segundo.
No, perfecto.
It was great. Great trip here. It was fun. Not much wind, but the boat did good. And here we are in Palmera.
Palmera.
Celebrating. To Palmera.
Everyone knows Johnny. I mean, everybody. You can't take a step without someone crying out his name. Well, he used to live here. He had a restaurant. And like he knows the owner of this place, Aminda. Sweet lady. We had a couple of grogs and a beer, as well as some fried moray eel. He organized a taxi for our friends so that they could go to their hotel. And me and Johnny? Well, it's Sunday night, and Palmera is the place to be. Every Sunday. Check it out. It's open to everyone. I mean, everyone, all ages. Palmera is an old fishing village because of its protected bay. The catch comes here every day. As long as the weather permits the fishermen to go out fishing. You can come and claim your dinner, but be quick, because most will go to Santa Maria, where all the big hotels and hungry tourists are.
shifted last night. I'm all screwed up with my anchorage. I had to lift anchorage because I was touching other boats, lift the anchorage, and all of a sudden the anchor let go, and now I'm stuck to another boat. My tiller is stuck, my rudder stuck to the rope of this other boat. It's in a little boat, we'll figure it out, but this is what it looks like out there. Well, we did it. We re-anchored. It was a whole mess. Guys, some local guys came over to help. I wish we could have filmed it, but it was kind of a panic. We were all tangled up. The rudder of my boat was tangled up in this little yellow boat behind me. And we couldn't get it away. The wind was pushing us, and finally, guys came over to help. And we undid his bow line. We were able to free Galopin, and then spun back around, dropped the anchor over there, and then dropped it too close to this black boat. And I got my anchor tangled up in his line. But now we're in a nice solid little anchorage. It's cool here. As well, this guy Frank in the black boat behind us came out to help. It was really cool. So, sailors helping out sailors. Johnny's going out to do some errands in town. Now I may have a friend come over tonight who lives in Sal, this guy named Michael, Cape Verdean guy. You may have remembered him from past episodes. He contacted me, he said he wants to come over and bring a bunch of gulls. I said, all right, man, come on over. We're here just a few days, and we had some fun here. I had to work on a video, so I didn't go out too much. But Johnny's got friends here, Italian friend of his named Moretti, huh?
Moretti, sì.
And Moretti is an Italian guy that's been here for 30 years or something. And he sells all these Italian goods like farm ham. So Johnny stocked up on a bunch of stuff here. All these Italian goods that you can't find in Mindelo. So let's hope the weather's good with us. And winds are fair, so we can sail back to San Vicente without too much pain or suffering. This is Cape Verde. It is going to be windy, but the wind is going to be at a beam, so it should be cool. And we're off. Just got to hoist up sails. Should be a beam reach all the way over. Bit of a broad reach when we get closer. It's going to be windy, about 20 knots, but I think we'll be all right. We got 2 reefs, about 17-20 knots, wind, it's pretty nice, and it should be a straight line to South Saint, Mindelo, for the next 20-24 hours. Always a workout to hoist a sail and get out of the spot, not to be winching. But looks like it's pretty good conditions today. See if it keeps up, don't get beat up too much. I think it's supposed to settle down as we get along tomorrow, but it might get stronger tonight. So you shall see as we shall see.
Galopin was flying, man. These are the perfect conditions for him. He was like a Mustang set free, galloping full speed across the endless prairie. Sails are trimmed perfect. The boat is well balanced and stable. The hull is clean and smooth. We're averaging 6.5 knots, peaking over 8 knots. It's just crazy, amazing, incredible. We had nothing more to do. I mean, Galopin was in full stride and in control. We could just sit back and enjoy the ride. It was freaking amazing. At one point, I was down below, and Johnny in the cockpit, when a rogue wave slammed and washed over the entire boat. Woke me right up and doused Johnny good and well. Just a solid reminder that we are in the Atlantic Ocean. Apart from that, nothing to report, Captain. Enjoy the ride while it lasts. It was great to have you along on this voyage. If you enjoyed your trip, give us a like and subscribe. You'll help us navigate better. Me and my boat Galopin promise you a good time every Wednesday. So welcome aboard.